I'm gonna show you the fastest way to send money through Cash App. It's really simple to do. Say for instance, I'm gonna go to my messages and I'm gonna send something to my daughter, Michaela. But you notice that you see this error message right here. It's, if you look down here where you see the Apple and you see the Cash App and the Pay, if you click down here and I'm gonna go to Cash App. Say for instance, I want to send her $10. And what happened, I hit to the right, I hit Pay. And this is only good if somebody else have an iPhone or an iOS system. So she has an Android. So when I send it that way, she got an error message, and this is what the error say right here. It says iOS 10 required. So a person that you sending the through this way need to have an iPhone or something, iPad or something like that. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna send her $10, but I'm gonna go here to the left and hit the app. So I go here, it says $10. I hit Pay, and I could type her name. I know it's Michaela right here, Mackie Love. So I hit that, and I'm gonna just put test, and I'm gonna hit Pay, and that's it. And then hit done. That's the quickest way to send money to somebody.